embarked on a digital transformation journey along with Tata Consultancy Services as growth and transformation partner using SAP Integrated Delivery Framework.
SAP Services and TCS collaborated closely with Trend to drive their digital transformation journey.
Our objective was to create a scalable system that enhances the brand promise and experience. We needed a complete end-to-end solution that would offer real-time insights for faster and better decision-making. The existing ERP was running on a 20-year-old release, which was unable to handle the current high volumes of stock movement transactions and business growth during the peak period.
To fulfill Trend's digital transformation priorities, TCS recommended an end-to-end fit-to-standard approach leveraging SAP S/4HANA. Despite of the pandemic situation, TCS's secure borderless workspace model ensured minimal downtime and enabled a seamless implementation of systems and processes.
Using SAP Integrated Delivery Framework, a structured approach was defined which lays out roles and responsibilities for Trend, TCS and SAP services during the project.
Trend's strategic objectives was to have new digital ERP platform for a future-ready IT landscape to expand the business without compromising on basic principles of robustness and stability. We began our digital transformation process with the decision to migrate from current SAP ECC to SAP S/4HANA, leveraging the services from our partners TCS and SAP services using IDF. We required a technology solution that will allow us to ensure that all processes in our value chain, including suppliers, distributors, and retail locations, would run at their optimum, recognizing that style, speed, availability, and quick decisions is what keeps retail relevant and meeting market demands of our customers.
TCS, along with SAP services, tuned the upgrade tool to achieve a smooth cutover execution and reduce the import time by 60% in HEC Cloud.
SAP and TCS employed creative methods to test the production hardware thoroughly before the actual upgrade and thus eliminated the hardware risks during cutover.
Migrating onto S/4HANA with HANA Enterprise Cloud has been a game changer for Trend. It has maximized the reliability of our IT systems along with the benefits of cloud infrastructure, which has helped put us on a path towards advancing our digital transformation. The enduring excellence in our partnership with TCS as our growth and transformation partner and using SAP Integrated Delivery Framework, leveraging SAP Active Attention has helped deliver this key transformation project successfully for Trend. The teams ensured that the project was delivered as per plan and was first time right, which was a key deliverable for us. With our aggressive business growth projections, there would be a greater need to have a robust and scalable solution. SAP S/4HANA is our first step towards achieving those objectives. For Trend Hypermarket, transformation to BW on HANA upgrade and suit on HANA migration will be a key deliverable.